Guys, what if Wikipedia was written entirely by AI? Well, that's Grokipedia. Today, we are breaking down Elon Musk's new AI encyclopedia. You will see how we can create account, how we can make edits in Grokipedia, and in last I will show how we can deactivate account or delete account from Grokipedia. Open browser in your mobile or PC and search grokipedia.com. So here you can see this is first look of Grokipedia. This is the search box where we can type our query. To log in Grokipedia, tap here and you can log in through different methods. Here I am using Google account for login. If you want to change dark mode to white mode, you can click on this option and select according to your need. Now I am typing prompt so we can see how it's working. Here you can see multiple suggestions are showing. I will click in any point and then we will see how it's representing information. So guys, you can see this is Grokipedia regarding directory and this is information collected by Grok AI. Grok AI is also showing reference similar to Wikipedia. If you will click on this fact checked by Grok yesterday, it will show time and date of fact checking. I am gonna to highlight a sentence. Here you can see three options are appearing. First one, copy, ask Grok and it's wrong. Now I am clicking on ask Grok. I am asking a query to Grok. Here you can see Grok is defining particular sentence in very pointable manners or format. Now I am going back and we will check third option on Grokipedia. Click on its wrong option. Here we can share our suggestion to edit particular line paragraph. So we have to enter details and we can also share link so Grok can verify suggestion. Here I am typing a suggestion and it's only for demo purpose. Then I will click on submit option. Here message is appearing feedback submitted. Thank you for helping us improve. Grok will review your feedback. It means our feedback will be reviewed by Grok and then if information will be correct then it will be edited in Grokipedia. When we highlight any line, here is first option copy is appearing. We can copy this text into notepad or another location. To delete your account, click on your account icon. Select Manage Account option and then it will be redirected to XAI account. Click on Data section of account and then you will see Delete Account option. Click on it. Enter your email ID and then tap on Delete option.